Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Nurul Najiha binti Hamdan. So for this video, I would like to show my tutorial on how I include my multiplayer using Photon into my endless running game. So without further ado, I will show the step by step on how I'm doing how I include the multiplayer into this simple game. Okay, firstly, you need to have your Photon engine, your Photon game server. Okay, you can just go to photonengine.com and then you need to register and sign in as usual. Then you need to create your new application game. Okay, at this part, for the create new application, for Photon type as me, I choose the Pun because it will related with the asset that we will download later, and then you need to add your name, your application name, put your description if you have, and then URL if you want to publish on somewhere else. Okay, since I already create the game server at Photon, you will see the application ID. You need to copy the application ID, and then you need to go to the asset store and you must download and import the Photon version 2. It is free at asset store. You need to download the Photon and then import into your Unity game. Okay, for the Photon, it is a multiplayer platform in Unity. It is important to use this because it will related with the multiplayer and also will connect with the Kinanet. Okay, and then after you download and import the package, it will appear one pop-out that need us to paste the application ID that we copy at the Photon, and then we paste, and it is to set up the game project. Okay, and then for next step is I import the two important script, which is connect to server and also create and join room script. Okay, and then I need to redesign my scene, which is I create a new scene for exclusively for this multiplayer Photon. Okay, I redesign two button and two input field. Okay, I include the create input field and then the join input field, and then create button and also join button. Okay, next is I create a new, you can just create new empty object, which is I create a new empty object for connect to server, and then I drag the connect to server script into this new game object, and then I create new game object which is named as create and join, and I drag the create and join room script into this new game object. Next is after I redesign this scene, I need to drag the input field, the create input field and join input field into the create and join room game object. Okay, for this part, since this script has the create input and join input input field, you just need to drag the create input into the create input field and then join input to join input field. And then for the game scene, since my game scene is named as demo, so I put the demo as the name for this game scene. All right, next is for the button. Okay, for the create button, I drag the create and join game object into this create button on click. I choose the create room function. Similar to join button, I drag the create and join room script from the create and join game object into this on click function, and then I choose the room function. It's just similar and also simple step. After you done with everything, you just need to build this project. It is important to add all the game scene here because it is connected with each other. And then I built this project into PC, Mac, and Linux platform. since I already built and compiled the project, I will show the output that I already get. Okay, so firstly, let me get here. Okay, you will see the endless running game in after you build the project, and then this okay, for this window, this one is I will say this is a player 1, and then for the Unity this is player 2. So we need to play in one time, so we will see the differences, either the create and join room is functioning well or not. Okay, so okay, we try. So for example, the name for player 1 is Dino, enter, and then for player 1 you need firstly you need to create your own room so that the player 2 can join your room that you have already created. So for example, the room that this player 1 create is 234. You need to create, and then it will functioning well for this player 2. Okay, for example, DD, enter, and the room that already player 1 create is 234, and then this player 2 will join. Okay, since both are working well, we will see that both are working well. Player 1 already game over. You will see player 2 will game over soon. Okay, so to see how this create and join room functioning well, you need to differentiate and compare at the leaderboard. You will see both name. Okay, so for example, at this one leaderboard, you will see Didi and Dino's name. Didi and Dino's name at the same leaderboard. Okay. Let's see for player 2 leaderboard. Didi and Dino. Let's search to their name. Okay, Dino and Didi. So it means that this Photon and the script that we already import is working well. So that's all for me. Thank you.